Hey everyone, if you want to create professional images using remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn simple photos into clean, high-quality professional images. A professional image is clean, sharp, well-composed, and free from distracting backgrounds. Start with a clear, high-resolution image with good lighting and a visible subject. Go to the remove.bg website using your browser. Click Upload and select your image, or drag and drop it into the upload area. Remove.bg will automatically remove the background and give you a clean cutout in seconds. You can replace the background with solid colors, gradients, or custom images. Adjust your subject's position to make sure it looks centered and balanced. Download your final image as a high-quality PNG. You can now use your image for business branding, e-commerce, YouTube thumbnails, resumes, and social media. For the best results, always use natural lighting and simple backgrounds. A common mistake is using low-quality images. If your image doesn't look professional, try improving the original photo before uploading. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create professional images with remove.bg in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.